Imagine a dark room. Suddenly, the neon lights flicker on, casting a vibrant glow. A moment later, they flicker off, leaving the room in darkness. Ever experienced that? You plug in your neon sign, expect it to light up, and nothing. It's a frustrating experience, especially if you're counting on it for ambience, decor, or even business. Today, we're diving into the world of neon lights to figure out why they might malfunction and what you can do about it. Common issues and solutions. 1. Power supply problems. The most common culprit is a faulty power supply. Check the cord for any visible damage, ensure it's plugged into a working outlet, and try using a different power source. If the power supply seems fine, it might be overheating. Give it a chance to cool down and try again. 2. Internal issues. Gas leakage. Neon lights are filled with neon gas, which can leak over time, especially if the glass tube is damaged. If you suspect a leak, it's best to consult a professional. Electrode problems. The electrodes inside the tube can become damaged or corroded, preventing the gas from ionizing and creating the glow. This often requires professional repair. 3. Environmental factors. Temperature. Extreme temperatures can affect the performance of neon lights. Ensure they're not exposed to excessive heat or cold. Humidity. High humidity can lead to condensation inside the tube, which can cause electrical problems. Try operating the lights in a drier environment. 4. Aging and wear and tear. Over time, neon lights can simply wear out. The glass tube may become brittle or the internal components may deteriorate. If your light is very old, it might be time for a replacement. Troubleshooting tips. Visual inspection. Check the light for any visible damage, such as cracks in the glass or loose connections. Basic testing. Try using a multimeter to measure the voltage at the power supply and the electrodes. Consult a professional. If you're unsure about troubleshooting or the problem persists, it's best to consult a neon light specialist. Additional considerations. Dimming and flickering. These issues can be caused by power fluctuations or faulty components. Color changes. If the color of your neon light has changed, it could be due to a gas leak or a problem with the electrodes. Neon lights can be a beautiful and unique addition to any space, but they do require maintenance and troubleshooting. By understanding the common issues and solutions, you can keep your neon lights working properly and enjoy their vibrant glow for years to come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.